So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will do some strength based fat burning workout, burning at least 500 calories, and it is basically a strength based by which we will burn maximum fat. Strength and weight training is amazing way to lose weight because it burns and it stress our muscles so that it burns more fat than any other workout. So follow this series with me and you will definitely lose like 5 kg in just span of 15 days. This is like 2 weeks challenge. Follow it with me, and if you face any kind of difficulty, like you are not able to do some kind of exercises, let me know. I'll suggest you the easier one as well. Okay, so let's get started. Starting with the warm up, marching with kick back. Good. Keep on doing. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Now we will do jogging for 20 seconds. Good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Crisscross like this. 10 of these. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Followed by 10 wall push-ups. So coming to the wall and push and pull. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. So you are almost warmed up and we will be starting our main core exercises soon. Before that, last but not the least, side to side punches. Warming up the back as well as chest and arms. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. So now hopping into main core exercises. First is basic burpee. We will do 5 of these. So down with the right leg, up. You can hop or you can avoid this as well. So we will do 5 of these. 1, 2, I'll hop. Good. 3, 4, 5. Great job. Now we will do some squat jumping. Basically 10 of these. Feet like this. Jump and release. Okay? 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Great job. Now we'll come to mat and do some exercises on mat. So my first exercise is, we'll come to all fours. For the first exercise, I'll stretch my back first and come to cobra. Okay, like this. So let's do it 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last, and 10. Great job. Now lay down on your back and we will do butterfly leg raises. I'll show you how to do it. Join your heels and toes, hand behind your pelvic. Now lift them up and release. Okay, let's do 10 of these first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Repeating it one more time. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Switching into mountain climber. Great strength base exercise. Coming to the plank. Now come to the high plank pattern. Now 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. Doing mountain climber one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. Relax. Now we will do bird and dog pose. Very good for your belly fat as well as overall body. So come to all fours like this. Now extend the right hand and left foot like this and squeeze. Let's do first 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change of hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change of hand now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change of hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. Now lay down and focus on our belly one more time. So we will do leg raise pulse, hands behind pelvic. I'll show you how to do it. Twist leg and do like this. Okay? So this is a strength based and it is very effective, believe me. So let's do it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Now doing it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Holding 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Now get up. Now we will hold some poses and at least for 5 seconds. So first pose is like wall supported lunge. Stay in position. You can take support or you can stay like this only and hold it for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change of leg. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Now what we will do? We will do some standing mountain climber. How to do it I'll show you. Hands in front like this. Now raise the knee alternatively. Okay. So let's do first 10 of these. Or you can take wall support as well if you want like this. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Doing 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Now coming to mat and doing some basic push-ups like this. 10 of these. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Now holding in this position for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. From this position only, switching to plank dips. Come to plank and try to touch your knee to the floor alternatively. Like this, if you are able to see. So let's do it for first 10 seconds. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Holding for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Now we will repeat it one more time. So coming to plank and dip it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Holding for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. So we are left with 2-3 more exercises. We'll keep it low today. We already had a heavy yesterday. So come to again half plank position like this. Now what you have to do, you have to lift your elbow and keep them back. Very good for reducing your this like tricep fat. Okay. 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll correct my position as well. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Great job, you did great. Now we will do walk in this position and walk back as well, like this. Walking to the front, walking to the back. Basically we will do 10 of these, 5 on each hand. I just started with the left and now I'll switch to right. It reduces arm fat as well as belly fat. 2, 3, 'Try to reach as farther as you can. 'Last but not the least, and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Now come to all fours and we will do some kickbacks like this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Change. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change. Doing one more time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. So you are done with the workout. We will do 30 seconds of jog in place. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One more time. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. So this was all in today's workout. I hope you liked it and please follow the whole series and let me know how you are liking it. Tag me as Fitness by Dipali on Facebook as well as on Instagram and please share your progress. Thank you so much for watching.